Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your HSBC credit card application status. If you're reverting to HSBC, you can check your credit card application status in this way. So firstly, open any of the web browser that you prefer. And in the top, there's an address bar. Simply type down HSBC credit card application status and enter it. So over here, you need to select this check application status in the top. So over here, you need to visit this credit card application status portal. So here you need to enter this verification code, your email address, and your NRIC as well. And you need to complete your OTP version, OTP verification to view your application status. HSBC sends updates on your application to the mobile number and email address you provided during the application process. Or you can also call the HSBC customer service for assistance with the application status if you cannot access online. And after that, you can select submit in the bottom right. And that is it. This is how I can check your HSBC credit card application status. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.